Hey, this is Candy with the Candy Foot Club, and I picked up a Tony's frozen pizza. I call them cardboard pizzas, so that I could try out my new pizza pan that fits perfectly into my oven air fryer. Okay, got my cardboard pizza opened, and it fits perfectly on this new pan with the holes in it so that the crust can crisp up really well. The oven is on preheat. So as soon as it says to add food, off we go. Okay, the oven is telling me to add food. Into the oven it goes, and then I just push the button and the timer starts. Okay, and the oven is telling me the pizza is ready. I'm gonna check and see if it is. And there we go. It looks good. Let me see. There we go. It looks good. And I wanted to give you a little tidbit of information. Our founder, Doris, when she had her very first Pampered Chef party, she cooked a frozen pizza on a pizza stone. Have you seen the new spring product pizza shears instead of a pizza cutter? It has this nice bottom so that if you want to run it across your pizza stone, it won't scratch it. So I'm going to give this a try and see how I like it. Wow, that's pretty neat. I didn't think I'd like pizza shears, but maybe I will become a fan. Here we go. This is Candy with the Candy Foot Club.